Guys ngele ngasho ngathi uGos kumele abe ku squad bamfaka ne. Nanga umunye kumele bamthathe bamfaka ku squad ngoba I know I fit. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, username, usho ukuthi bodlalela iphi team today.
Sanibonani emakhaya igama uSicelo Isibongo kaKhumalo bengidlalele Man City namhlanje.
So Sicelo overall performance ye team yakho namhlanje ungayirate kanjani usho ukuthi ni perform kanjani wena as an individual ne team yakho in a whole?
Thi ngicale ngeteam namhlanje asidlalanga ngalendlela esijwayele ukudlala ngayo because ama opponent wethu they were very good namhlanje. Bebasivala ngayo yonke indlela bebeza kithi basisebenzisile, so we were lucky ukuthi sithole le chance, have a chance, and then we were able to convert. So going on to me, I think namhlanje I was one of the lucky ones yabo ukuthi ngimanage ukusave ama possible goals wama opponents. So ngibonga nama teammates wami ukuthi sisebenzisane iloko kuphela.
Okay, just a short pyramid of career yakho as a keeper. Usho ukuthi ama teams okhe wadlalela up until now.
Ngicale ku Moretile Gunners, and then I went over to Mpumalanga City Lads, and then I came back ngaya manje currently ngidlala ku Elspark United, of which we're not doing very well, but then we're still pushing yabo. One game at a time, so sizoba right.
Okay. So what do you think makes a great leader win?
Commander, you know, and then mina ngokubelieve kwami leader is born. Angeke simana manje sithathe noma ubani ukuthi asilide, understand. So kumele ube nogcobo ukuthi usilide because manje kumele silandele wena, kumele silalele wena, and nawe kumele usilide by example on and off the field.
Okay. So if there's one thing that you'd change about South African football in a whole, what is it that thing that you'd change?
For now ayikho. For me I believe ukuthi Hugo Broos is doing the best, and nangendlela selector ngayo squad sethu indlela esesidevelopwa ngayo nasemathimini, like uyabona ukuthi sesine improvement yabo, sesikwazi ukudlala ngama under 18 years 19 years sebadlala ku pro, and they are doing good. So I think it's move to the right direction as a nation as a whole.
Okay. So imapha ama player maybe like name I2 angekho ku squad that you'd wish wena ukuthi babe ku squad?
For me I would want umuntu omdala oyo1 kulaba because ukhona uThemba Zwane, I understand. So isifiso sami bekukufisa ukuthi maybe uMakhawula aye lapha esquadini, and then I feel ukuthi uMorena bamshiye ngemistake, I understand. So yeah, I'm not a Sundown fan, but I feel ukuthi uMorena bekumele abe sesquadini.
Okay, kula makipa lawa akhona lapha abafaka ku squad, umuphi ocabanga ukuthi uya deserve like to start kule game le esizoyidlala manje?
Obvious skipper Williams uyo deserve, but I think mhlambe ngesecond half or going futhi egame ye Panama, I would think because Hugo Broos ubize ama goalkeeper itu first half angayicala ngoGos, second half eze ngolina to see ukuthi mhlambe siya ngabo kanjani ku World Cup because umshile uchain yabo unama reasons wakhe angeke sisimpleme ucoach and ubona izinto ngendlela yakhe, I understand. So I would feel ukuthi kule game ye Panama mababaniki 50-50 chance sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay, word of the day nyana before we close it off.
Word of the day, let's keep on pushing.
No, thank you so much for your time.
Ngiyabonga sisters.
Sharp.